Welcome back to Ashley Welling Fitness. Today's workout is very, very simple. I'm just going to teach you how to do a bicep curl. A bicep curl you will find in a multitude of workouts in different ways. You'll find them in Pilates, bar, maybe with lighter weights where you're doing more reps. You'll find them in strength and hip workouts. So I'm going to break it down for you how to do a proper bicep curl so that when you do these more intense workouts, you've already created that muscle memory. Now I'm going to start with 8-pound weights. You don't have to start with anything. It's just creating, again, that muscle memory. All right, so your feet are going to be right outside your hips. We are going to flip our wrist. So what we're going to do is you're going to keep your shoulder to elbow tight to the side of your body. Your shoulders are going to be back, your chest is open. You want to look front. You don't want to tuck your chin because when you start to tuck your chin, your shoulders are going to go with it. And we don't want that, okay? So shoulders back, look front. Let's just take one arm at a time. Palms front, you're going to curl, bringing it up to your shoulder height. Now, keeping your elbow tight to the side of your body, you're going to release it down and not let the weight swing back. Bring it up and then bring it down. Sometimes when you get bigger weights, you may find that you're going to go out and you may go like this, and that's still fine. You just want to keep your shoulder elbow right by your body so that that bicep becomes engaged. So let's alternate, keeping our shoulders back, chest open, taking in deep breaths, relaxing the lower body. You'll find when you incorporate these curls into other workouts, you may do squats, you may do lunges, so it's really imperative that you learn how to have your form first before adding more exercises. So let's do 4, 3, 2, and last one. All right, we're gonna finish it up with the hammer curl. Essentially the same thing, except this time your palms are facing in. Again, right outside your legs, shoulders back, chest open, abs in, and you're gonna pull it up to your shoulder, see your palms facing in, but your elbow is still glued to the side of your body, and you release. You bring it up, and then as it comes down, don't go fast. You would be very surprised as you release how much your bicep is still engaged. Let's switch, bring it up. Let's stay on this arm. If I was to just swing it down, you see, it goes past. You don't want that. You want to keep that muscle engaged. Keep your abs in. Let's alternate for 8. This is the hammer curl. 6. And let's do 4. Take your time. 3, 2, and 1. There you go. That's how to do a bicep curl. We added in a hammer curl. Thank you so much for joining me. This is part of your how-to playlist for workouts. If you haven't already, click subscribe. And then here's your next workout. Let's see if we do bicep curls in it. I will see you at your next workout. This is Ashley Welling Fitness. Bye.